h of x equals 3x plus 3. G of x equals negative 4x plus 1. Find h plus g of 10. What that means is you're going to find out what h of 10 is. You're also going to find out what g of 10 is, and then you're going to add those suckers together. So h of 10 is going to be you replacing every x with 10 in h. So 3 times parentheses 10 plus 3, according to PEMDAS, is 30 plus 3, 33. Scottie Pippen. Those of you who are basketball fans from the 90s. Also, we have g of 10 over here, and that's going to be negative 4 times 10 plus 1, which is going to be negative 40, plus 1, which is going to be negative 39. So g of 10 is negative 39. So h plus g of 10 means we're going to add, let's write it out, we're going to add 33 plus negative 39, in other words, 33 minus 39, and that'll get us negative 6. Fun, fun.